So in this video, we are going to add the search feature in our theme. So if I search for some terms, for example, let's add people, and I hit enter, we get that search results for the keyword, as well as we get the search results. So we have the post, and then we can read more and see that particular post. So currently in our theme, we don't have this feature. So let's add it together. So we need to add search here so that it displays on every single page. So we need to add it in the header file of our theme. So I go to code editor and then in header.php, and here I'm going to add the code for the search form. So here what I'm going to say, I'm going to create a div, and I'm going to call a class here, which is going to be search pilot. If we want to, inside this div, we are going to open the PHP tag is get underscore search and underscore form. All right, now once you have this function, you go back to your theme, refresh the page, you will notice that you have the search here, and the search is working currently. So if you type, like, let's say people, and hit search, we get some results. You can see the default page is currently powering it, so it's displaying it without the way we want it. We can edit it, we can make it excerpt if we want to, but currently the point is we have search and which is working. Now let's add the search to the right side, because and also I want to remove the search for term that is showing up here. Now to do that, what we need to do, we need to go into text editor again, and here we need to create a file which is going to be search form.php. All right, now in this search form.php, we need to put a form. The code is here. I'm just pasting here. It's a simple form where we are saying that the action is the home URL. We have an input field with the text, and here we have search query. It is going to display whatever keyword we are searching inside this input field. We have a button where we have type submit and the value search. So when we put this form, search form.php, going to power our search. This code, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can get it from there. Now if I refresh here, and now if I search for something, let's say people, you will notice we have people there by default, because we have this echo search query. So this is going to be displaying there that what keyword user search for. Now we have the content showing up here, but I want to display this content in excerpt instead of full. So what we can do in that case, we need to go into text editor and create another file. And this file is going to call search.php. Now this file we need to put, so if I go to the blog, we have the content showing up like this. And so we can use the index.php code in our search PHP. So I'm going to copy this all and I'm going to paste in here. Now instead of the content, I can put excerpt. All right, and if I go back there, refresh the page, now we search for people again. Now you can see we have the content showing, and it is showing in excerpt. So you can customize it as you like if your user clicks on any of these. So it is searching for everything. It's the pages and content, it's just displaying everything from here. Now let's search something else. So I see here content and hit search. So you can see that it is searching for content keyword. You get the keyword here on top as well, so you can see there. Now we have the results showing, and even the thumbnail is also showing as we use the index.php code, where we are checking if there is thumbnail, then display thumbnail. So we are getting our results as desired. Now if we go to the main theme, we have if we go here and search for, let's say, people. So we are saying search result for people. I want to add this as well. So to do that, what we need to do, we need to go into our code editor, and in search.php, we are going to add custom text. So what are we going to do? So we first need to close the PHP tag, and inside we can say search. Now to display the keyword user search for, we can use the WordPress function, and that function is the underscore search underscore query. All right, and this is going to display us, and we need to echo this function. So echo. Now I'm going to wrap it in span so that we can target it, so that it can have a bit of style. Title, and here we can close our span. Now it looks better. Now I save this, go here and refresh. As we are still on the search page, it looks just fine. Now what we need to do, we need to style it. So for the archive page, we use the style. You can see here we can use the same style on our search as well. So what I do is I'm going to use that. I'm going to target this span. So what do? You simply go to the style.css class, and this is a span, and we are going to pass the CSS. So it's going to be this. I'm going to save this. So when I refresh this page, you can see the styling. Or we can do this. We can simply cut this from here, because we have these working on these both elements. Put comma and then put it here, and we don't need to just mentioned separately. Now these styles still will work. So refresh, you have searches all for people. Now if you want to change for content, you search yourself for content. So this is how you work with search in WordPress. I'll leave the code zip in the description. You can download this theme, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And